Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about AXS Infinity. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest and urgent price of the AXS Infinity. But before starting this video, I request everybody to please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. So guys, now the situation of the AXS Infinity is going positive, and personally my friends, today I'm very happy to see these kind of positive changes occur in the AXS Infinity. You can see here my friends, the whole changes. Oh my god, that's it, that is a news my friends. The whole changes of the AXS Infinity in the market is positive, so that's why I'm feeling very happy. I hope you're also feeling good, you're also feeling happy about AXS Infinity. So guys, before starting this video, I request all of you to please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. I hope you all subscribe my channel. So guys, now the market price of the AXS Infinity is 43.74 cent. That is the currently live price of the AXS Infinity, and I think my friends that every hour 1 cent the price increase. Every hour 1 cent the price increase. So what do you think about AXS Infinity future? Very soon my friends, very soon AXS Infinity are going to hit a 50 USD dollar. That's my target for AXS Infinity, and it's the last of August. At the last of August, the price of AXS Infinity will be 60 USD. Oh my god, just look here my friends, in the previous last 1 hour they take a quick jump my friends. Now that is called a jump. That is really a happy and very surprise good news for all of you. Positive 4.54% in the price increase. You can see my friends, in the previous time the price jumps, but just in the last 1 hour 2 hour the AXS Infinity price pump, and that is called pump my friends. Now that is called pump. So subscribe now our channel for more updates and news videos.